Hello, this is Tungal School of Basic and Applied Sciences, Degree College. I am Ramanjan sir. In continuation of lecture 7, let us see the lecture 8. Again, the problems are to be in continuation as to be the lecture 7. Now, 8th problem. Find the real root of the equation x log x base 10 minus 102 minus 102 is equal to 0. Minus 102 is equal to 0. Using bisection method, in 5 stages, in close interval 57 comma 58, close interval 57 comma 58. See that the problem 8, find the real root of the equation x log x minus 102 is equal to 0 using bisection method in 5 stages, means 5 iterations or approximations are enough, right? So all previous problems up to 7, they are all the algebraic equations, whereas now the equation involving log terms and algebraic terms, these equations are called transcendental equations. So we are solving now transcendental equations. For them, find the real root or approximation root of the equation. See that now the solution, almost the procedure is same. A little bit it changes as it is a transcendental equation. Let f of x is equal to x log x base 10 minus 102 is equal to 0. As the interval is given 50, close interval 57 comma 58, f of 57 is equal to 57 into log 57 base 10 minus 102 is equal to 57 into, right, how can we find log 57 base 10? See that in calculator, so for different calculators have different brochure is there. Accordingly, you can follow to find the log. Here is in Casio some calculators for log x base 10, press log and number and is equal to, you will get for log x base 10 values. Sometimes only log x is there, that is different. For log x base 10, simply press log and number and is equal to. In the calculator we have there, in scientific calculators. So after doing this, it should be log 57 base 10 now 1.75587 minus 102 is equal to 100.084 minus 102. Automatically this should be the negative value minus 1.91533, like this it is there. It is less than 0. Next, f58 is equal to 58 into log 58 base 10 minus 102 is equal to 58 into, so log 58, it is 1.7634 approximate values they are, minus 102 is equal to 102.2788 minus 102 is equal to 0.2788 is greater than 0. So from these two, f of 57 into f of 58 is less than 0. So automatically the first one is less than 0 and the second one is greater than 0. The graph is to be like this, as it is 57, the close interval, and it is 58. So that f of 58, it is greater than 0, f of 57 is less than 0, and this is to be the first approximation root, x1. As it is greater than 0, this implies f of 57 into f of 58 is less than 0. The root lies between 57 and 58. So first approximation root x1 is equal to 57 plus 58 by 2 is equal to 57.5. This is 57.5, and this side is to be now plus and this side is to be minus. Next, f of, put that in the functional value, f of 57.5 is equal to that function is as x log x base 10 like this minus 102 is equal to 57.5 into log 57.5 base 10 minus 102 is equal to, as the simplification is minus 0 point and so on, is less than 0. This is less than 0. As it is less than 0, the 57.5 is in the middle, it is to be right side. So that the root lies between right. The root lies between the root lies between 57.5 and 58. So that second approximation root x2 is equal to 57.5 plus 58 divided by 2 is equal to 57.75. As its functional value substitute f of 57.75 is equal to 57.75 into log 57.75 base 10 minus 102 is equal to minus negative value. It is to be less than 0. So that the root lies between 57.75 and 58. So x3 is equal to 57.75 plus 58 divided by 2 is equal to 57.875. Its functional value is f of 57.875 is equal to 57.875 into log 57.875 base 10 minus 102 is equal to, it should be the greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, the middle is 57.875 to the left side. So that the root lies between 57.75 and 57.875. So x4 is equal to 57.75 plus 57.875 divided by 2 is equal to 57.8125. Substitute this value, f of x4 is equal to f of 57.8125 is equal to 57.8125 into log 57.8125 base 10 minus 102 is equal to, it is negative value, is to be less than 0. So as it is to be less than 0, the root lies between 57.8125 and as to be right side value, if it is this is in the middle, the right side is 57.875. x5 is equal to 57.8125 plus 57.875 divided by 2 is equal to 57.8431 5. As even though it is f of x5 is equal to f of 57.843125. So simplification is 57.843125 into log base 10 of 57.843125. As you can adjust up to the decimals only, 3 decimals minus 1 or 2. It is again to be less than 0, and there is no need of that x6 because they are asking only 5 stages. After 5 stages, approximate root of 1 is x is equal to 57.84315. As they are asking only up to 5 stages. Next, ninth problem. Find the real root of the equation. Find the real root of the equation. Find the real root of the equation. X plus log x minus 5 is equal to 0 in closed interval 3.2, 4 by bisection method. Correct up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Right. See that the problem as the procedure is same, a little bit changes the equation. Why? Because it is the transcendental equation as involving log terms. Right, solution. Let f of x is equal to x plus log x minus 5. Next, f of 3.2 is equal to 3.2 plus log 3.2 minus 5. So what is the value of log 3.2? As it cannot be log 3.2. It cannot be common logarithm. It is a natural logarithm. So that for log x, comma, press ln, that is ln means natural logarithm. Press ln and number and is equal to, right, and its value is to be 1 point, that is log 3.2 value 1632 minus 5 is equal to minus 0.6369. It is less than 0. Next, f of 4 is equal to 4 plus log 4 minus 5 is equal to 4 plus log 4 value is 1.3864 minus 5 is equal to 0.3864 is greater than 0. So that f of 3.2 into f of 4 is less than 0. That is, even here also, if when we write f of 3.2 into f of 4 is less than 0. As the graph is to be as 3.2, it is 4. So automatically, as this side is the negative values and this side is x1, the 3.2 value f of 3.2 is less than 0, f of 4 is greater than 0. Right. The root lies between 3.4, 3.2 and 4. First approximation root x1 is equal to 3.2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3.60. So f of x1 is equal to f of 3.60 is equal to 3.60 plus log 3.60 minus 5 is equal to minus total simplification 0.119 is less than 0. As it is less than 0, as the previous one is less than 0, the root lies between 3.6 and 4. So the x2 is equal to 3.6 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 3.80, and its functional value is f of 3.80 is equal to 3.80 plus log 3.80 minus 5 is equal to the value to be 0. Simplification the total 1351 is greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, the root lies between 3.6 and 3.8. 3.8. So that x3 is equal to 3.6 plus 3.8 by 2 is equal to 3.7. So f of 3.7 is equal to 3.7 plus log 3.7 minus 5 is equal to 0.0084, as it is greater than 0. The root lies between 3.6 and 3.7. 3.7. So the x4 is equal to 3.6 plus 3.7 by 2 is equal to 3.65. So the f of 3.65 is equal to 3.65 plus log 3.65 minus 5 is equal to minus 0.0551 is less than 0. So the root lies between 3.65 and 3.7. So x5 is equal to 3.65 plus 3.7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.675. So f of 3.675 is equal to 3.675 plus log 3.675 minus 5 is equal to minus 0.0233 is less than 0. The root lies between 3.675 and 3.7. So x6 is equal to 3.675 plus 3.7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.6875. So f of x6 is equal to f of 3.6875 is equal to 3.6875 plus log 3.6875 minus 5 is equal to minus 0.0074 is less than 0. So that the root lies between 3.6875 and 3.7. So x7 is equal to 3.6875 plus 3.7 divided by 2 is equal to 3.6937. So f of that x7 value, f of 3.6937 is equal to that is 0.00046 is greater than 0. As it is greater than 0, the root lies between the root lies between 3.6875 and 3.6937. So x8 is equal to 3.6875 plus 3.6937 divided by 2 is equal to 3.6906. So f of x8 is equal to f of 3.6906. In simplification is equal to 0.00046 is greater than 0. The root lies between as this goes to the middle value and to the left side, 3.6875 and 3.6906. x9 is equal to 3.6875 plus 3.6906 divided by 2 is equal to 3.6921.